YouTube, welcome back to another video from DJ Soul Agenda. I am DJ, and I'm here to do a review for y'all today. Got a nice little package in today. I want to share that with y'all. So before we get into it, as you know, first of all, welcome back to everybody who's coming back to the channel. Appreciate that. And if you're new, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you can know whenever I go live, because I go live a lot. My wife and I, so you want to come check out the show that we have. We talk about sneakers, fitted caps, everything. So make sure you come check us out. But yeah, we're gonna just go ahead and get into it, man. We're gonna get into it. So what I got today, you see it? The concept joints came in today. I hit these on sneakers, man. Of course, you know I had no luck in getting them on. Concepts. That just wasn't happening. But these came in today, man. I'm excited to see it. Like I say, yeah, I'm excited to see it. So I took it out the box, you know what I'm saying? But I have the delivery box, but I haven't seen them yet. I want to wait till I, got with you guys. And so let's just make sure, I ain't no cap, see? I ain't even, look at that, all perfect, and I ain't touched it. I ain't touched it. So getting ready to open the joint up. I guess we can go with that. There's our paper, concept joints, the Nike swoosh and the flowers, you know what I'm saying? Cool. Let's go ahead and take this out of here. Okay. Here we have it. The Concepts Air Max 1. That's and of course you got everybody knows, like, you see this guitar pick. This is paying homage to Jimi Hendrix. We all are aware of that by now. But man, let me look at this shoe. Okay, so I got the velvet tongue on here. I'm loving that. I'm liking this little guitar pick too. That's pretty hot. The laces they come in here is hot. Jean material, just like on the pictures, but it's cool looking at it in hand, you know what I'm saying? The jean materials on here. I see it got the little cow print. The little cow print on there, you know what I mean? Pretty cool, man. And the thing is, I like this one. Obviously, I went for it and hit it on Sneakers app. I also went for that one, the heavy also. I didn't get that one yet, but we're working on it. But I plan on trying to get the whole pack if I can. Where applicable, right? Where applicable. I'm just looking at this shoe, this Air Max. It's pretty nice. I'm just gonna be honest. It's a pretty nice shoe. To my understanding, no two shoes the same. They all supposedly are different. What you'll see on the design. I think the only consistent variable will be the concept around the around here, around the top of the heel. That may be the only consistent variable. But I believe that everything else, like the jean material, the stains in that, and things of that nature, the print on the hair, I believe things like that, the designs here, I feel like all of that is going to be where you see your differences at. I'm curious, what I don't know, I'm curious if we will also see differences in the Nike swoosh. That'd be cool too, with the flowers. That'd be cool. I don't know that because I haven't seen other pairs yet. Pretty nice though, pretty nice shoe. I'm looking at the insole. The insole has some pizzazz going on in there, so there's that. We'll look at it a little deeper as we, check out some B-roll of the shoe as well. But I mean, for Air Max 1 during Air Max month, I'm happy with it. I'm extremely happy with it. This shoe, I'll tell you right now, this shoe is definitely something I cannot wait to wear coming up this spring or summer. It's definitely something that's going on foot immediately. It's a really nice shoe. That velvet on that tongue is crazy. I like that. And I have the strange love dunks. So we already know how that comes when it comes to that velvety look. So I'm analyzing things according to what that shoe looks like. This is nice. This Air Max 1 is really nice, guys. As you know, it's an Air Max 1, so you're already familiar with how comfortable they are. Very comfortable shoe, very stylish shoe. This old silhouette will never go away, will never go out of style. It's impossible, especially with all the avid Air Max lovers out there. I'm sure you guys would agree that this silhouette would never go out of style. They always re-innovate it with different textiles and things like that, different materials on it. So it's a beautiful shoe, and I think it's we got many years to come with this shoe still being on top. Man, this is nice. Let me look at the other one. Okay, so the other one has the laces associated with. Let's pull that one out. Put this one up. So the other one has the laces on the extra laces. We got the white laces, and then I got these velvety ones. Look at that. It's literally a velvet type of lace. I wonder how that would look in here. I mean, the color is fine, right? But I just wonder how that would look in there. I'm not prepared to make that change on my pair right now to experiment with a velvet pair. I think it's nice. I think it's a nice addition. The velvet lace, I think it's a nice addition and all. But I don't think I will. I'm not seeing me wanting to put that on there. Or I think it's good the way it is, considering we have the tongue, you know, the velvet on the tongue. And what I can compare though is I can compare the shoes themselves to one another, so I can definitely see differences on the staining. I can definitely see differences on the staining on the denim, right? On the toe box, you may be able to see that as well. I can definitely see the differences there. Okay, so yeah, the back. Okay, so the heel tab does have concepts on both of them, so that's a consistent variable. However, that's about it. The back is different on just both shoes, so you know you're gonna see that with other people's as well. And I'll get you some shots again. Of course, the hairs are the print of, you can call it the cow or whatever you want to call it, the cow print they have there is definitely different. We have a little splatter on the sole. Okay, I see a little splatter down here. It's pretty cool too. And I don't think I've ever noticed that on the pictures. The splatter that's on the down in the midsole down here. I don't think I've ever. It's even on the bubble. Now it's even on the bubble. The air unit has it too. Yeah, it's even in the air. They didn't even care, man. They just put it on. They just splattered it down there. They didn't even care. Pretty cool, man. I guess, you know what I'm saying? So that's good to know that it's not a defect, you know? So it's meant to be that way. But overall, pretty good shoe, man. I really like it. I like this little flare it has, if you will, on the back of the Nike Air sign. You know, the little strands hanging off. That's pretty cool. This Jimi Hendrix vibe it's up there. It's up there, man. I can't wait to wear this one. I also can't wait to get the other one in hand, which is the one that just released, which was the heavy. Cannot wait to get that one as well. This is a wonderful shoe. Oh, wait a minute. I'm just looking at the inside. Yeah, I got the okay, so the insides, I'm also looking at the insoles. Okay, I see the different symbols. Like you got the concepts over here, and then you have the Nike logo. I just noticed that in the inside. I just noticed that. Y'all can see that in there. Hopefully y'all can see that in there. Pretty cool. Let's see these flowers. Are they any different or the same? So the flowers on both shoes, the Nike check with the flower on both shoes is identical. On my pair, well, yeah. On my pair, they're identical. So that's something I know. But everything else is not. Oh no. Very gorgeous shoe. Very gorgeous shoe. I'm happy to have it. Let me know if were you able to cop some. I know some people were able to cop on the in-store raffle. And salute to you if you have the stores next to you, man. You know, being in St. Louis, we don't have anything like that we're, you know, these in-store only opportunities. We don't have that here, so our only opportunity is to cop it offline. But that's pretty tough to do with all the bots. You know, it's kind of, I'll be honest with you, it's a sore subject because it's kind of, you know, you're already at a disadvantage anyway because you don't get the store opportunity, but you do. You try to go online and get a shoe, and it's, you know, it's just a severe uphill battle because of all the body, you know, that's happening. I wouldn't just say nowadays, but now. So anyway, I appreciate y'all for checking me out. Make sure you come back again. I got more things to show you as well. Some other unboxings. I got some fitted caps that, you know, I got some other shoes coming in as well. So make sure you stay posted to the channel. Until then, this is your boy DJ with DJ Soul Agenda. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you were able to cop this, or if you got it, like I said, from the store. Until next time, I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace out, guys.
Yeah. Break. So agenda. Once a new heat drops, I'ma get up on that. I done waited too long for the cash. Now I gotta get mine, cause the game won't last. Turn a no dream to a new path. Everything gon' fold, don't you live by that? So I don't ever need to look back. Looking into new leads who only state facts. So agenda, where we at? Where we at with it? I know some people who watch for the wrong reason. For really though. Just know you could go get yours. So quit saying what you don't preach. Quit preaching on. I've been on great timing. All the else kept me needing to do more with this shit. I'ma stop till my wins are even. Oh man.
Appreciate y'all for tuning in with us. This is DJ Soul Agenda. I'm DJ this Chaz.
What up, y'all?
I don't win them type of shoes, my guy. Just me. I'm the type of person, Brent, I wanna buy something. You know what I'm saying? Like that consolation prize. Like you in the mode to cop something.
And we manual cop. Well, I don't know about, I'm a manual copper. That's all I know. If you hadn't gotten these, are you planning on getting them? And how did you even cop? First thing I need you to do is hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed.
Once a new heat drops, I'ma get up on that. I done waited too long for the cash. Now I gotta get mine, cause the game won't last. Turn a no dream to a new path. Everything gon' fold, don't you live by that? So I don't ever need to look back. Looking into new leads who only state facts. So agenda, where we at? Where we at with it? I know some people who watch for the wrong reason. For really though. Just know you could go get yours. So quit saying what you don't preach. Quit preaching on. I've been on great timing. All the else kept me needing to do more with this shit. I'ma stop till my wins are even. Oh man.